Are you tired of wimpy vacuums that can't handle the messiest of jobs? Well, say goodbye to flimsy machines and hello to the ultimate cleaning powerhouse. The best Shop Vacs around? These bad boys can suck up anything in their path, from sawdust to spilled milk, with ease and efficiency. So if you're ready to tackle the toughest cleaning tasks like a boss, grab yourself a Shop Vac and get ready to experience cleaning nirvana. Let's dive into the wonderful world of Shop Vacs together, shall we? All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. Number 5. Armor All AA255 Wet Dry Vacuum. When it comes to budget-friendly shop vacuums, the Armor All AA255 Wet Dry Vacuum is a top contender. Its powerful suction and versatile attachments make it a handy tool for tackling both wet and dry messes, making it the ideal on-the-go vacuum. The top handle and onboard attachment storage add to its convenience, while the detail brush, crevice tool, and deluxe car nozzle make it perfect for cleaning out your car. One of the best features of this vacuum is its lightweight and portable design, similar to a gallon of milk, making it easy to transport and use wherever you need it. The foam wet filter allows for easy water cleanup, although the wet capacity may not be as large as some other models on the market. Remember to rinse the canister and filters after each use to prevent clogs. While this vacuum may lack a drainage port and have a smaller wet capacity, it more than makes up for it with its suction power and convenient attachments. And although it may struggle with removing pet hair from carpets and fine dust without an additional filter, it excels in its primary purpose of cleaning up messes efficiently. Overall, the Armor All AA255 Wet Dry Vacuum is the perfect choice for those looking for a budget-friendly shop vacuum that doesn't sacrifice power or versatility. Give it a try and see for yourself why it's the best option for your cleaning needs. Number 4. Fein Turbo 1 Wet Dry Dust Extractor. If you want the best shop vac for dust, consider the Fein Turbo 1 Wet Dry Dust Extractor. This tool-triggered vacuum cleaner is perfect for avid woodworkers and home contractors. The extra long hose allows you to quickly clean up piles of dust in your workspace. Its quiet operation is a bonus, making it ideal for those who want to work in a peaceful environment. The vacuum's flat fold filter and fleece filter bag effectively filter out small dust particles while allowing air to flow through. The Fein Turbo 1's unique design sets it apart from other shop vacuums on the market. Its ability to be directly powered by tools ensures that it sucks up sawdust and particles as soon as they are created. The specialized purpose of this vacuum makes it a must-have for anyone frequently exposed to drywall dust. However, keep in mind that the fleece filter bag is meant for single use and may require you to purchase additional bags. Although the Fein Turbo 1 Wet Dry Dust Extractor is pricier than other shop vacuums, its specialized design and efficient operation make it worth the investment. So if you're in need of a reliable dust extractor for your woodworking projects, check out the Fein Turbo 1 today. Still searching for the perfect shop vac? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. DeWalt DXV09PZ Poly Wet Dry Vac. If you're in need of a compact yet powerful wet-dry vacuum, the DeWalt Poly Wet Dry Vac is your best bet. Its strong rubberized caster wheels make it a breeze to move around your job site, and the top handle allows for easy steering around obstacles. The performance of this vacuum truly impressed us during our testing. It easily cleared out clogged drains and efficiently sucked up water without any issues. The drainage port makes emptying out wet contents a simple task, and the included accessories bag provides convenient storage for attachments. One standout feature of the DeWalt DXV09PZ is its pleated cartridge filter that can handle both wet and dry debris. Additionally, the fine dust collection bag is perfect for cleaning up finer materials like drywall debris or sawdust. Despite being slightly higher in price compared to other models, the attachable accessories bag and compact design make it a worthy investment. While the process of emptying out dry debris can be a bit cumbersome due to the storage bag, we didn't find it to be overly complicated. Overall, the convenience of the accessories bag, along with the excellent performance and compact design, make the DeWalt Poly Wet Dry Vac the best portable shop vac on the market. If you're in the market for a versatile and easy-to-use wet-dry vacuum, the DeWalt DXV09PZ is definitely worth checking out further. Number 2. Craftsman Wet Dry Vac. If you've been searching for a shop vacuum that can handle big cleanup jobs without needing constant emptying, you should consider the Craftsman Wet Dry Vac. This vacuum excels at picking up wet leaves, sticks, and water trapped indoors, making it a top choice for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. The 7-foot hose and 20-foot power cord give you plenty of reach to tackle large rooms or garage spaces, while the onboard storage for the hose, attachments, and power cord makes for easy packing and storing. Plus, the separate output allows you to utilize the vacuum as a blower to clear leaves or snow from your driveway, offering versatility that many other shop vacuums lack. The easy assembly and already attached caster wheels mean you can get to work quickly without any hassle. What you might find challenging about this vacuum is its maneuverability, especially if you're on the shorter side. However, the caster wheels, top handle, long power cord, and flexible hose all contribute to a comfortable user experience, outweighing any portability issues. Despite this minor drawback, the Craftsman Wet Dry Vac stands out as the best large capacity shop vac on the market. Make sure to check it out if you're in need of a powerful and efficient cleanup solution for your home or workspace. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. RIDGID RT1200 NXT 12-gallon. When it comes to shop vacs, the RIDGID RT1200 NXT 12-gallon stands out from the rest. This powerful wet-dry vacuum delivers superior power with its 5.0 peak horsepower motor, making it a must-have for plumbing experts who demand top performance. The patented scroll noise reduction technology ensures minimal operating noise, so you can work in peace without disturbing others nearby. The flexible locking hose is a game changer, as it won't pull loose during use and has a smooth interior surface to prevent clogging. This means you can tackle any job without worrying about interruptions. The 360-degree caster wheels make maneuverability a breeze, allowing you to easily navigate around tight spaces and obstacles. Plus, the large drain and accessory storage caddy add convenience to your cleaning routine. What sets the RIDGID RT1200 NXT apart from the competition is its powerful blowing capacity, which lets you quickly clear leaves and debris from walkways and decks. Additionally, the quick lock filter fastening system makes filter installation and removal a snap, saving you time and effort. One thing to keep in mind is that the vacuum can be a bit bulky, especially when handling stairs or transporting it to different job sites. However, the benefits far outweigh this minor inconvenience. Overall, the RIDGID RT1200 NXT 12-gallon is the best shop vac on the market, offering unmatched power, durability, and convenience. If you're in need of a reliable and efficient wet-dry vacuum, look no further than the RIDGID RT1200 NXT 12-gallon. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best shop vacs. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which shop vac you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.